Hello everyone! Welcome back. Today we'll be taking another dive into the Yiddish language. This time looking at words that perhaps weren't always Yiddish. Yiddish is a melting pot language. Since it is a language that has no official country that it belongs to, many words from different regions got picked up and integrated into the ever-changing vocabulary. Here are 10 Yiddish words deriving from languages around the world. Mishpucha. Mishpucha. This Hebrew word is still the official word for family in Yiddish. Aside from German, Hebrew has contributed the most words into the creation of the Yiddish language. Avada. Avada. This Aramaic-rooted word means, of course, Murishka. Murishka. This word for ant got scooped up from Belarusian. And keeping to the animal kingdom, we've got duck at number 4. This word is derived from a Slavic language as well. The Slovak word for duck is Katchka. Aksel. Aksel. A word deriving from Old Swedish meaning shoulder. Igirka. Igirka. Another Slavic on the list due to geographical factors of where most Yiddish speakers were based from. This word means cucumber and is derived from Polish. Tzee benchen. Tzee benchen. To bless. This comes originally from Latin, Fukkanal. Fukkanal. This amusing sounding word is of Hungarian descent and means a wooden spoon. Cholent. Cholent. This word has an interesting background. Its definition: a traditional stew eaten on Sabbath day. This stew is particularly eaten on Sabbath day because it is a food that can be kept warm in a crock pot or on a hot plate overnight, as one is not allowed to cook during the Sabbath day. It is a tradition to eat hot food to celebrate the Sabbath, so this stew gained popularity due to its convenience. Now, cholent comes from the Old French word cholent, or present-day chalois, which means to heat up, as this is the main purpose of this dish. Ich, dich, Tisch, Fisch, Sachen, Lachen, Springen, Singen, Jugend, Logan, Tog, Zog, Katz, Platz, ein, Wein. Now for a little theory of mine, the Yiddish word yenta. While studying Norwegian, I came across the word yenta, which means to repeat. This Norwegian word is based on Old Norse. Now because a yenta, or a gossip, is someone who goes around repeating information from person to person, something clicked like, is that where Yiddish gets its word yenta from? Although I haven't been able to find proof that this is actually what it's based on and not just a big coincidence. If anyone has any information about whether this theory is correct or not, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And as usual, tak für die Dag, lihitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!